Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by joining the Midjourney Discord and confirming your subscription so the bot accepts commands. Once done, authorize the bot in a channel and set a default style and aspect ratio like 16:9. This saves time. Now type /imagine and immediately add a concise prompt with subject, mood, and camera angle. Use a seed number if you want reproducible results. This gets you past setup and into creating your first render quickly and reliably. Now focus on the how and why of prompts. You combine subject, medium, lighting, and lens to guide the model. For example, specify oil painting, warm rim light, 50 mm lens to influence composition. Then append parameters like R for aspect ratio and chaos to control variation, seeds lock randomness. Once you see results, use upscale to increase detail or vary to explore alternatives. Make sure to tweak weights to emphasize elements. This iterative refinement shapes the final image. Finish by upscaling the image you like and exporting the highest resolution file for your use. Once done, you can perform small in-paint edits or reroll variations to fix details. Make sure to verify the license if you plan to sell or publish commercially. If the output is off, simplify the prompt and lower chaos to reduce randomness, or switch the seed to get a different composition. These quick steps usually resolve common problems without restarting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.